So the next matter, yung PBB po, yan, lagi kami tinatanong, kailan daw po ibibigay na yung performance-based bonus ng mga DepEd personnel?
Well, I'm sorry. The status is we've submitted all of our requirements to DBM already. As to when it will be released, we're not yet sure, Your Honor.
Well, Madam Chair, on the side, I spoke with Director Macaranas of DBM. I don't know if he's still here, baka wala na. Pero he told me that the DBM has already returned to DepEd the papers. So according to him, you should be able to release the PBB by first week of October at the latest. So can we, what do you say to that, Madam Chair?
Well, if that's the case, Your Honor, we follow the lead from DBM. So
Okay.
that should be
You have the DBM representative here
Sige
in
po, pala
charge
si,
of
sorry, Director.
we can hear from her. Director Christy Casana.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just to apprise you lang on the update of the PBB for 2014 of DepEd. Just to clarify, Form A and A1, signed Form A and A1 were not yet submitted to the DBM. Nevertheless, we do not want naman the schools to suffer kasi yung kukulang ninyo dun sa Form A and Form A1 has nothing to do with the operation of the school. So the task force approved the payment of the PBB of the on a school at the school level. So effective po yun na we hope to release yung before the end of September. Kaya nga lang maglalapse siya. Ang tinitingnan ng mga regions baka naman mag-delay yung release and then mag-lapse lang ng September. So we're strategizing if first week of October para hindi po mag-lapse yung release.
Thank you for that, Director Plasara. So, yung pa rin, party, ganun nga, confirming na yung sinabi ni Director Macaranas kanina, the target for release is first week of October. I ask this, Madam Chair, because last year, medyo hindi maganda yung naging experience ng mga teachers sa PBB kasi dapat 2014 pa ni-release pero first quarter of 2015 na nung maraming mga region. So ayaw po nating maulit yun.